Hey guys, it's Mad Monday again. Today we're going to talk again about mastering moisture and again about dessicants. And today I'm going to teach you how to correctly use it in your powder container. So there are basically two ways how you can use it. Either you can, dig it up, have it shoved all the way into your powder, or you can have it laying on top of the powder inside your powder container. And it's better to have it laying on top. And here's why. Well, first of all, if you look at your powder container as a sort of perfectly closed and sealed vessel, then you want to draw the moisture away from the powder. So you actually would want to have this in your lid or as far away from your powder as possible so you can draw it out of the powder. As versus if you would have it inside your powder, you would just draw it towards the packet and that would be inside your powder, and that's not good. And then the second reason is, the main reason, or what these are for, is to protect your powder also from air that's coming through your lid or that's coming through cracks in your powder container into the container. And it typically, the biggest hole is on top of the container where the lid is, and if that's not perfectly sealed, you will have air creeping in there, and you want to protect your powder that's below from, moisture that's creeping in through the lid. So before the moist air hits the powder, it will go to the pack and it will absorb. If the packet was all the way on the bottom of your container, the moisture would have to go all the way through the powder to the bottom of your container, so the moisture will attach to the powder versus it attaches to the pack or the dessicant. So here's why you should always keep the packet on top of the powder. Hope this tip was helpful. See you guys next week.